Hi everyone, I am thrilled to share the journey behind MercX, a cutting-edge fleet management solution designed to redefine logistics operations. Inspired by real-life challenges, including the resilience of Putte travel blog, and backed by my academic experience in logistics, MercX bridges the gaps left by existing fleet apps. MercX isn't just an app, it's a solution, offering real-time tracking, driver safety monitoring, and financial insights. It addresses common pain points like high cost, complex interfaces, delays, limited customization, and poor support. MercX is affordable, user-friendly, scalable, and equipped with real-time updates, customizable reports, and dedicated assistance to empower businesses of all sizes. The app provides a seamless experience from login to logout with features like a dashboard for key metrics, fleet and trips management, driver monitoring, financial tracking, and customizable settings. Its design reflects speed and efficiency, with a logo inspired by Mercury, the Roman god of speed, symbolizing agility and innovation, while the bold X adds a tech-savvy touch. MercX is more than just a fleet management app, it's a game changer. By solving real world problems with innovative solutions, it transforms logistics into an intuitive, efficient process. To experience MercX in action, I invite you all to watch our app walkout video where you will see the seamless solutions we have built for the future of logistics. Thank you.